Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing files and tools so you can return the device to an official state. Make a full backup because flashing will wipe user data. Then download the exact factory image and OEM-signed bootloader for your model. Mismatches break certification. Install and test ADB and Fastboot on your computer and confirm the device appears in Fastboot mode. Once done, put the device into Fastboot and verify serial output so you can proceed without guesswork. Next, you flash the official images to restore verified signatures and system state. If the OEM requires a temporary unlock, follow their exact commands. Otherwise, skip unlocking. Use Fastboot to flash the bootloader, baseband/radio, vendor, and system partitions in the sequence the manufacturer specifies. After flashing, boot the device and complete first-run setup to initialize vendor services. Make sure everything runs stock. Then relock the bootloader to restore signature enforcement, which is essential for certification. Finally, sign into your Google account and let Google Play Services update. This lets device attestation complete. Open Play Store settings and check Play Protect certification. If it reads certified, you are done. If it still shows uncertified, relock the bootloader and repeat the flashing with the exact OEM-signed image set, then clear Play Store data and reboot twice. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched or unofficial bootloaders break attestation. Reflash the correct signed bootloader and relock before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.